How's it going? Today's detail is a 2009 BMW. You've seen this vehicle before. It is back for its maintenance detail. This time, not only are we doing the interior, but we are also going to do a good rinseless wash on it and add a little bit of protection on it since it's been a couple of months. And we're going to get the wheels cleaned up. I'm going to try a new product, and you'll see that on the second video.
Everything that happens is motivation. Everything that happens is motivation. I regard the work of motivation the most important work in the history of man. Everything that happens is motivation. Everything that happens is motivation. I regard the work of motivation the most important work in the history of man. Everything that happens is motivation. Everything that happens is motivation.
And I'm getting mighty tired of your trifling ways and of listening to that jackass Bray.
For all time's sake. As time goes by. It's been a long time. Some of the old songs. For all time's sake. As time goes by. It's been a long time. Some of the old songs.